Can you tell me about your character first of all in this film?
I'm playing a cardiac surgeon who is really, really very, very busy, as I'm sure all cardiac surgeons are. And he believes, like a lot of Indian men, that his job is to go to work, get the money, and his wife has to take care of the home and the family. But his wife is also a doctor, but she has kept her career sort of on hold and gone into research so that she can handle the home and the child and all that. So they are playing their respective roles as culture, Indian culture dictates. I think culture all over the world, the woman is always expected to stay at home. But the child, meanwhile, is about 12 or 13, and she really misses spending time with her father. She wants to spend time with her father, and she keeps having a problem because of that. But the father, of course, doesn't understand, and he asked his wife, he said, "Why can't you explain? Just tell her I'm a doctor, I'm busy, I have patients, I have so many things to do." And the mother, played by Rajeshwari Sachdev, she tries to explain to the child. But the child is very unhappy. So finally, her mother creates a situation in which the father, that's Dr. Siddhant Rai, me, has to spend time with his child. And he realizes that it is, of course, important that both parents must contribute to the upbringing of the child. I mean, to create that emotional strength that is required. I mean, the child needs two parents. And also he realizes that it's a very special time. I mean, his child is growing up. He's never going to have these years again together with her. And it's a very special experience which he's missing out on. So the film is about things like that. It's about choices that we make. It's about how busy we are nowadays with our careers, with our ambitions. We have no time for family. We have no time for friends. We have no time for our relationships. And that we have to give priority to the things that are important to us, that are important to the people close to us. So it's a fun film. There are songs and everything, and it's a really beautiful relationship that the husband and wife have and everything. But there is an underlying message through watching what this family is going through.
As an actor, what kind of scope did it afford you to perform?
See, as an actor, any role has tremendous scope. The challenge is to create a character that is memorable, create a character that will stand out, somebody special. Also to explore certain aspects of life that in reality I have never been through. To think about issues that otherwise I would not think of. So that is the scope of any character. It can teach you about life. It can teach you about circumstances and situations that maybe other people go through, maybe you will never. So it's very, very, it's interesting, to do it. And any role. It could be a doctor here, you could play a terrorist somewhere else, you could play Tarzan the Ape Man, which of course is a dream role for me. But all roles are very, very interesting to play.
The song that you were shooting for right now,
Yeah.
tell me about that, the situation.
Well, the music director, firstly, let me say Pallav, Rajiv, it's a music director duo who have created most of the songs in the film. The title track is done by a very young girl, I think she's only 19, called Sneha Khanvilkar. Very nice, peppy, cheerful song, which reflects the way the girl sees her father and the kind of relationship she wants with him. She sees him as Superman, But the song we were shooting today, it captures a few of the moments between the husband and wife. They've been married for about 13 to 15 years, but still they're very much in love. They try and spend as much time as they can together, but they're both really busy. So a few moments that they get together are captured in this song. It's a beautiful song called Simte Hue.